All right, today I'm making a 28 by 14 little board that's gonna go in a kid's area. So easiest way to make it is just the horizontal way. I was gonna do it this way, that's complicated. There's a herringbone or chevron, herringbone, chevron, that's too complicated. I don't know about that. This is gonna be the easiest one. It looks nice, looks a lot nicer than that. So I think I'm gonna go with that, 14 by 28. Got a little inspiration off some door options we have. All right, I didn't have the 14 by 28, so I'm gonna compromise and get the board stretcher. Since I already have a piece of plywood here, it's 14 by 26. We'll use this. And since I am the wood wall guy, I got a good selection to choose from for DIY planks. I like this hardwood board. How about this poplar piece? Probably use this side, but I do like this side. I forgot about these little shorties. All right, so I found my orientation. I'm gonna go left to right. I think I'm gonna use mostly full length boards, make it a little bit easier. Maybe I'll put a butt joint in there to break it up as well. Using mainly all hardwood because I'm gonna sand it and seal it just because it's gonna go in a kid's area. There's gonna be boogers and milk and all that stuff on it as well. So sand it and I'll put some water-based sealer on it, then trim out the outside. I got 3/4 inch plywood here as well. All right, real simple way to get your 45-degree angle. Just put a triangle on there, or a square, excuse me, and go like that. I'm not using any glue, just nailing it. Probably 4 to 6 nails per board, using about 7/8 inch, 1 inch nails, 18 gauge. All right, there's my first nailing. You can see right there. Now I'll just cut that out with a straight line rip saw or track saw, whatever you got.
Yeah, I've been falling off the grid.
Don't mind the music, just my favorite song. Here we go, rip these strips, attach them onto the sides. If you want to glue anything, you can glue that a little bit and put them on there, make sure they're flush with the top. All right, here's what we look like before we start sanding on it. I have this all blended in a little bit. Like I said, I'm gonna sand this somewhat aggressively because the kids' boogers will be all over it. All right, we're gonna show you guys how to do a nice technique, how to get a nice round over. Instead of trying to go like this and never get even, I'll do a flat to flat technique. So you go flat here, I'll show you. Flat, flat. Nice corners every time. All right, looky. Looks pretty nice, huh? Got it all finished. Not so bad. I put 2 coats of sealer on there. Here, there you go. I sanded it really aggressively, trimmed out the sides. There you go. About 1.5 hours, 2 hours worth of work.